Now to the Oscars, and for the second year in a row, backlash over who was not nominated. The front page of this morning's LA Times saying it all, asking the question, where's the diversity? And ABC's Chris Conley is here with that story. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, Robin. And from what we saw, not people attacking this nomination or that nomination, but asking questions, again, about the process and about the industry. Just saying, the seven-person lineup for last night's A-list Republican presidential candidates debate was more diverse than the Academy Awards' 20 acting nominations, none of which went to a person of color for the second year in a row.
A preview of the upcoming Black Oscar snubs.
Comedy Central's The Nightly Show saw this coming the night before the noms, with host Larry Wilmore more than ready to name names.
Will Smith in Concussion. Gary Gray, the black director from Straight Outta Compton.
Wow, man.
Creed star Michael B. Jordan. Yes!
He got him right. Add to that list Beasts of No Nation's Idris Elba in supporting actor, and no Best Picture honors for Straight Outta Compton. Reaction was swift and searing. It's actually worse than last year, tweeted April Rain, creator of the viral hashtag #OscarsSoWhite, now making a repeat appearance. Reverend Al Sharpton calling Hollywood fraudulent.
I think this is both a Hollywood problem and an Oscars problem.
Academy President Cheryl Boone Isaacs has sought to make Oscars ranks more diverse.
We are being louder and louder, and we're going to continue this conversation, and we're going to do more than just talk. We are going to be doing.
Unafraid to push it himself, Chirac director Spike Lee used his honorary Oscar acceptance speech at November's Governor Awards to urge change.
It's easier to be the President of the United States as a black person than be the head of studio.
All right, worth noting, Best Director nominee Alejandro G. Iñárritu, who is Mexican, just one of many nationalities represented in the Oscar nominations. Robin?
All right, Chris, thank you very much.